Welcome back to maths classes. Today we are going to discuss the leftover quadrilaterals, that's kite and the rhombus. Here you know that the basic things of quadrilaterals, that they have 4 sides, 4 corners and 4 angles, and the different types of quadrilaterals. So today let's start by the new quadrilateral, that's rhombus. A rhombus is a special case of parallelogram. In rhombus, opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. Moreover, all sides of rhombus are equal in length and the diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. Here, rhombus has almost same properties of square, that opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal. Moreover, all sides of rhombus are equal in length. Here, most of the properties of rhombus are same to the square, and this rhombus comes under the special case of a parallelogram. Bisect each other at 90 degree or right angle. Next, properties of rhombus. All sides of rhombus are equal and the opposite sides of rhombus are parallel. Here in the rhombus, all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel, and opposite angles of rhombus are equal. Here opposite angles of rhombus are equal, and in a rhombus, diagonals bisect each other at the 90 degree or right angles. These 4 points you have learnt already in the definition, that's all sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal, and diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. And diagonals bisect angles of rhombus. Here this means when you take some angle, let's take as angle A, when you take a diagonal, it bisects that angle A into 2 parts, that angle A by 2 and angle A by 2. This diagonal bisects the angle of rhombus, and sum of two consecutive adjacent angles is equals to 180 degree or supplementary. Here this means two angles, that's angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 degree, or angle C plus angle D is equals to 180 degree, or angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree, or angle B plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. Here sum of two consecutive adjacent angles is equals to 180 degree. Next, area of rhombus. Here area of rhombus is a region covered by rhombus in a two-dimensional plane or a 2D plane. Here the formula of rhombus is given by product of two diagonals divided by 2. This area of rhombus is equals to product of two diagonals by 2, that's half into d1 plus d1 into d2 is half into d1 d2 is equals to area of rhombus, that's half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 is equals to area of rhombus. Next, perimeter of rhombus. Here the perimeter of rhombus is the total length of its boundary, or we can say it as sum of all 4 sides of rhombus is its perimeter. The perimeter is simple, that sum of boundary of a quadrilateral or any shape. When we ask some perimeter, then it's the boundary, sum of length of boundary of all shape. Here the formula of perimeter is given by perimeter of rhombus is equals to 4a. Here a represents side. It's taken as 4a because all 4 sides are equal. Here in the rhombus, all 4 sides are equal, so it's taken as 4a. Next, kite. This is the different quadrilateral other than rhombus. Here kite is a quadrilateral in which 2 pairs of adjacent sides are of equal length. Here adjacent sides are equal length, and no pair of sides in kite are parallel, but one pair of opposite angles are equal. In kite, no sides are parallel, there are no parallel sides, and there is one pair of opposite angles are equal, that's here angle C and angle B are equal. It has one pair of opposite angles which are equal, that's kite. Next, properties of kite. A kite has 2 pair of adjacent equal sides, that AC is equals to AB and AD is equals to CD. That AC is equals to AB, that AC is equals to AB and CD is equals to BD. This is the first property of kite, and it has one pair of opposite angles that are equal. Here these opposite angles are obtuse, that as I already told, angle C and angle B are equal in angles. They are equal angles in the kite. Next, in the diagonal AD, here the diagonal AD is equals to angle OA, angle line OA plus line OD. Here this OA and OD are equal in length. Next, the shorter diagonal forms two isosceles triangle. Here the diagonal CB forms two isosceles triangle, that's triangle CAB and triangle ADB, and the sides AC and AB are equal and CD and BD are equal, which form two isosceles triangle. Here there is an diagonal, that's diagonal CB. This when we don't take this diagonal AD and when we take only diagonal CB, then it makes an different two isosceles triangle, that's triangle ACB and triangle BCD. These are the two isosceles triangle. Here in the triangle ACB, AC and AB are in equal length, and in triangle BCD, triangle line BD and CD are equal in length. Next, diagonals are perpendicular to each other, that's AD is perpendicular to BC. That means diagonals are 90 degree to each other. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Here AD is perpendicular to BC or CB. Next, perimeter of kite. Kite is also referred as quadrilateral with two adjacent sides of equal length. So we can take same formula as which we taken for rectangle or parallelogram. That's perimeter of kite is equals to sum of length of two sides, that is 2 into A plus B. 2 into A plus B or 2 into L plus B. Here we can't take, however we can't take L and B, so we just take A and B, that the A will be at AC and AB length are equal, so that is A, and CD and BD length are equal, so that it's taken as B. So I hope you have found the information and some of the formulas of kite and the rhombus in this video. So if you found any more information, please give a like to this video, share and subscribe to our channel, that's Study to IIT. Have a great day.